you are watching Galgotia's News Network. I'm Asfa Gohar bringing you latest headlines, campus buzz and beyond. Ayush Sirohi wins triple gold for Galgotia's University at National Speed Skating Championship. Galgotia's University basketball team wins gold at Ball O Roma tournament. Galgotia's University signs MOU with VLSI Society of India to advance semiconductor innovation. Galgotia's University BBA student selected for internship at Aditya Birla Capital. Galgotia's University student Raman Singh Raghuvanshi placed at Wipro. Galgotia's University driving sustainable innovation in chemistry. B.Tech students of Galgotia's University hired by FAR-I. Ritik Sharma secures placement at Inventive Software Solutions Private Limited. Galgotia's University hosts Tansin Gathering with Tanzanian Ambassador. Record-breaking EY placements at Galgotia's University. Tanishka Giri appointed as President of Galgotia's University's Entrepreneurship Cell. Galgotia's University hosts creative workshop on film, form and practice. Build your career in green hydrogen with BSc and MSc at Galgotia's University. Faculty Research Spotlight. Dr. Nitin Malhotra's paper published in Scopus Indexed Journal from School of Business. Ayush Sirohi represented Galgotia's University at the 10th ranking Open National Speed Skating Championship, organized by RSFI in Noida from August 14 to 18, 2025. He secured 3 gold medals in the 200-meter dual time trial, road 1 lap and 100-meter events. Ayush overcame an injury he has been managing since last month to compete at the championship. His commitment and discipline helped him perform strongly against top skaters from across the country. His performance adds to Galgotia's University's record of achievements in national level sports. Galgotia's University basketball team, under the guidance of the Department of Sports, clinched the gold medal by defeating Jamia Millia Islamia University in the final of Ball O Roma at Gautam Budh University with a narrow 15-14 win. The Department of Sports at Galgotia's University continues to nurture outstanding talent. The basketball team's recent victory proves their training and discipline. This achievement not only highlights their sporting excellence but also motivates other students to represent the university in competitive events with the same dedication. Galgotia's University and the VLSI Society of India have partnered to strengthen semiconductor research and entrepreneurship. The collaboration will provide students with expert guidance, internships, projects, and mentorship while promoting India's vision of self-reliance in semiconductor technologies. This MOU marks a significant step in creating opportunities for young innovators at Galgotia's University. With access to industry experts and practical exposure, students will gain hands-on experience in semiconductor technologies. The partnership also supports India's broader goal of building a strong, self-reliant ecosystem for research and startups. BBA students from Galgotia's University have been selected for internship opportunities at Aditya Birla Capital. This achievement reflects their hard work and the university's continuous focus on building strong academic and industry connections for student growth. The internship program will help students apply classroom learning in real business settings. They will gain exposure to finance and management practices, interact with industry experts, and enhance their career readiness. Such opportunities ensure students are better prepared for future roles in a competitive market. Raman Singh Raghuvanshi, a B.Tech CSE student, has secured placement at Wipro. He attributes his success to the opportunities, guidance and supports received at Galgotia's University, which continues to prepare students for leading roles in global companies. This achievement adds to the growing list of successful placements from Galgotia's University. Through skill-based learning, mentorship, and strong ties with industry leaders, the university creates a platform where students can excel. Raman's accomplishment highlights the impact of dedication supported by the right academic environment.
The School of Basic Sciences at Galgotias University focuses on sustainability-driven education and research in chemistry. Its programs prepare students to tackle pressing global challenges with scientific knowledge, practical training, and opportunities for innovation.
Galgotias University is shaping the next generation of chemists who can bring change through sustainable science. By combining strong academic foundations with hands-on research, the university nurtures students to become leaders in fields that directly impact society, the environment, and future technologies.
Galgotias University continues its strong placement record with BTech students receiving job offers from Far Eye. This milestone underlines the university's industry-oriented approach and its role in preparing students for future-ready careers.
Congratulations to our BTech students on their selection by Far Eye. Their achievement reflects consistent effort and determination. We wish them the very best as they begin their professional journey and make the university proud in the years ahead.
Galgotias University celebrates the placement achievement of Ritik Sharma from Diploma Electrical Engineering, Batch 2025 at Inventive Software Solutions Private Limited. This milestone showcases the university's commitment to building industry-ready talent through skill-based learning and guidance.
Congratulations to Ritik Sharma from Diploma Electrical Engineering, Batch 2025 on his placement. His dedication and perseverance have led to this success. We wish him continued growth and success he takes his first step into the professional world.
Galgotias University welcomed the Tanzanian Students Association in India for a special gathering. The event featured Her Excellency Anisa K. Mbega, Ambassador of Tanzania to India, alongside African Association members and Tansan leadership, fostering unity and support among Tanzanian students in India.
Galgotias University hosted the Tansen Gathering, uniting Tanzanian students from across India. The presence of Ambassador Anisa K. Mbega and association leaders made the event more significant. The program strengthened connections and reflected the university's efforts to promote international collaboration and empower global learners on campus.
Galgotias University celebrates a record milestone with 127 students placed at EY. The achievement has been widely covered by leading media outlets, reflecting the university's strong industry partnerships and commitment to student career success.
This accomplishment highlights the university's consistent focus on employability, skill building, and industry readiness. It further strengthens confidence among recruiters and inspires current students to aim higher in their career journeys.
We are proud to announce that Tanishka Giri, a 5th semester BBA FIA student from the School of Commerce, has been appointed as the new president of the Entrepreneurship Cell at Galgotias University.
Galgotias University celebrates the leadership achievement of Tanishka Giri from the School of Commerce BBA FIA 5th semester. She has taken charge as president of the Entrepreneurship Cell, where she will guide initiatives, encourage student startups, and promote an entrepreneurial culture across the university campus.
The School of Media and Communication Studies is organizing a 3-day workshop, Film, Form and Practice, facilitated by filmmaker Boyshali Sinha.
This workshop is designed to sharpen the creative lens of aspiring storytellers. From experimenting with cinematic form to understanding the nuances of practice. Participants will engage in immersive learning that bridges theory and real-world filmmaking.
Galgotias University launches India's first BSc and MSc programs in green hydrogen, preparing students for future energy careers.
Green hydrogen is the key to future energy and global opportunities. Careers in fuel cells, mobility, research, and policy are expanding worldwide. Galgotias University now offers India's first academic programs in this field. Join today and prepare for roles in top companies and research organizations.
We are pleased to share that Dr. Nitin Malhotra from the School of Business has recently published a research paper titled A Systematic Literature Review of the Structure of Epic, the Mahabharata, Beyond a Religious Text, in the Scopus Index Journal. His work explores the epic's structural sophistication, layered storytelling, character development, and ethical discourses. Dr. Malhotra's research invites readers and scholars to view the Mahabharata not only as a spiritual text but also as a powerful literary construct. By analyzing its narrative design and embedded philosophies, his findings open new avenues for interdisciplinary engagement, further showcasing the research excellence nurtured at Galgotias University. Thank you for watching. That's a wrap from GNN. Until next time, stay aware and stay connected.